Hey guys, it's Paul. I want to give you a quick introduction on how to get an animated subscribe button pop up for your OBS or your streaming software, and a downloadable option as well. For you, the easiest way, if you come and add your channel and then go to your channel, so I'll do this one, my training channel that you're watching on. When you go to your page on PNUK, you'll see all the categories it's in, all this sort of stuff. It's not the same as your fan page on Sub to Me. That is just, a fan page for people to see, whereas the page on PNUK is a little bit more information. And the part of this information is an animated subscribe button for OBS or video. If you click that, you will see your animated button will play straight away. And you'll get a replay with green screen. What you'll have to do for video, I can't make this currently download as a video. Maybe I can eventually, but it hasn't been working. But if you're recording the screen and press that, then you have got a green screen animated button that automatically picks up your latest subscriber count. So there are some platforms out there that are very good, but you have to physically put in the amount of subscribers you've got. This will do it every time you refresh. Every day it'll look for your new stats and it'll automatically pick it up. Now, the beauty of OBS is it's very easy on OBS as well. So if we go to OBS, so I use OBS for streaming. I've actually been testing it there, so let's remove this. So we want that button, we want that subscribe button to show up. All we do is add, browse, put here, subscribe, okay it, and then it's going to ask for the source. So we just paste in that URL from that last page, and I'm going to turn this on, refresh, and you can leave shut down source when not visible, and refresh. So what it'll do is every time it loads, it will refresh the page. Now it's got a black background, so it's not great, but on your streams you will see it. So all you got to do is turn it off, turn it back on, right? And it will show that big subscribe button. Pop up. So you can tinker with it. It's a little bit hard because it's obviously half the time it's not showing, but you can keep firing it up to see it. There we go. A little bit further down. Don't leave. And then you can put it as small as you want in the corner. So you want it up there like this. Or you want it to be full screen. Hey, you guys, subscribe. Right, and it'll work for any other channel as well that's on PNUK, like Mr. Beast. If we do that and then OK it. Mr. Beast, if we do some of the other guys on there, or maybe watch him. Let's go Blades, Ramble, OBS, so let's subscribe. So obviously if you've then got a Stream Deck, like I've got a Stream Deck, all you've got to do is come down to the OBS studio and add, is it a scene? I think it's a scene, right? Does that count as a scene? Yeah, let's go subscribe on the button. Let's go Technocam, that one is. Is that a scene, or is that the whole thing a scene? It's a source. Is it a source? Studio mode, scene transition. Which one is it? Go to. Oh, it's a visibility, isn't it? Source visibility. That's the one. Subscribe. Scene, Technocam, subscribe. Right now, I haven't got my button plugged in, but when you click the button on your Stream Deck. If I click it, you can click this, right? Am I going mad? Do I have to click my Stream Deck on? Can I test that there? I'm sure I can, can't I? No? Oh, I thought you could test it from here. Yeah, as you click your subscribe button, shall I plug it in? Let me plug it in quickly. Shall I do it while I'm on the fly? Oh man, technically perfect. Right, there's my Stream Deck come on. Am I on the right source? Yeah, I can see it. Right, so now I've got on my button. If I click my button, that turned it off. Click it again, that turned it on. So now on my Stream Deck, it'll switch on and off that button. Makes sense? So all you got to do is copy that URL at the top, or if you go to PNUK, if you want to, if you're a fan channel, you might say let's get more Manchester United fans. Let's go here. Let's do this. Let's grab this. Just show you as it'll come back. Let's green screen it to show you it works on everything. So if you're a fan channel, you could say go and subscribe to our team. If you run a team and you want to subscribe to that team and you want people to follow your team, teams are welcome. Anything YouTube related, press the button on your Stream Deck and it works as well. So hopefully you find that interesting. It's going to get better and better. I'm going to offer lots more different stylings. If you've got suggestions or questions or anything you want me to add to it, all you need to do though, first things first, is add your channel to, not that's just for me, to PNUK. Log in. As you log in, it'll show all your channels if they're there, and then just click add your channel, verify your channel. All you've got to really do after that, it'll say it'll say category TBC, go to manage, and then edit the category. Pick the category you want to be in, save. You can tinker with everything else after that, but when you come back to the top, in fact, it's there already, look. I forgot it would be here. I haven't actually come this way round to it. When you go to manage any of your channels, it'll say animated button right from there. It's one of them websites. There's 8 different ways to get to the same place. I like stuff like that. I hope you think this is interesting. Completely free. Dive in. Anything else you want me to add, we can do it. Thanks for watching. See you all again soon. Paul, PNUK, the punk, out.